Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Kitchen. Hope you all are happy and safe at home. Today we are going to prepare mango cake. It is very soft, spongy and tasty cake. Come, let's start the recipe. At first, powder 3 by 4 cup sugar and keep it aside. Take one dried mango. Transfer the mango into the blender and make a fine pulp without adding water. Add the mango pulp to a pan and cook it. It is about half cup mango pulp. Add 2 teaspoons powdered sugar and mix it well. When it starts to boil, switch off the flame and keep it aside. We are going to prepare the batter in a mixer. Take 3 eggs and beat them well. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Three by 4 cup powdered sugar. Add half cup vegetable oil. Add 1 cup maida. 1 teaspoon baking powder. Half teaspoon baking soda. 1 by 8 teaspoon salt. Mix them well. Now add the mango pulp, which is at room temperature. Add warm milk to adjust the consistency. Add yellow gel color. It's optional. Add 1 teaspoon vinegar and mix it well. Our batter is ready now. Grease and dust the desired shape mold and transfer the batter to it. Tap it well to remove the air bubbles. Bake the cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. Our super tasty mango cake is ready now. Check it with a skewer. If it comes out clearly, cake is fully baked. Let it cool down and then only demold the cake. You can cut the sponge into layers and do further icing, or you can have as it is. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.